Today, we're making a dessert that's as elegant as it is irresistible: crème brûlée. With its perfectly crisp caramel top and silky smooth custard, this French classic is sure to impress. Let's dive into the recipe. Here are the ingredients you'll need: heavy whipping cream, egg yolks, sugar, and vanilla extract. In a small pot, pour in the whipping cream and heat it on low. Warm it gently until it's hot but not boiling. Then, remove it from the heat. In a medium mixing bowl, combine 4 egg yolks, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whisk gently in one direction until everything is well combined. Now, slowly pour the warm whipping cream into the egg mixture while stirring continuously. This prevents the eggs from curdling. Next, pour the mixture through a fine mesh strainer into another bowl. This step removes any clumps and ensures a silky smooth custard. Skim off any bubbles or foam on the surface. Carefully pour the mixture into your prepared ramekins, filling each one nearly to the top. Place the ramekins in a deep baking pan and create a water bath by pouring hot water into the pan until it reaches about 2/3 up the sides of the ramekins. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the custards for 45 minutes to 1 hour, or until the edges are set and the center has a slight jiggle when shaken. Once baked, remove the ramekins from the oven and let them cool to room temperature. Then, cover and refrigerate for at least 3 hours. For the best texture and flavor, chill them overnight. Just before serving, sprinkle a thin, even layer of sugar over each custard. Use a kitchen torch to caramelize the sugar. Move the flame in a circular motion until the sugar melts and forms a golden brown caramelized crust. Be careful not to burn it. Your crème brûlée is now ready to serve. With its crisp caramel top and creamy custard beneath, it's the perfect dessert to impress your guests. Or treat yourself. Enjoy this timeless classic and don't forget to share your creations. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.